Good morning, YouTube. So I just woke up so freaking late and we have to hurry up and go catch our flight that I don't know if it's going to be possible, but hey, let me first get ready. Let me get ready. I'm coming back. Okay, guys. 5 minutes, I'm coming. Okay. We need to. Okay, guys, I am the one who's gonna make us late because now I need my wig to be ready. Okay. We have the computer, we have the tools, we have everything. So, yeah, we have everything. Are you ready? That's it, it's fine. To water your plants. Is there another plant that we have to water? No. That one is always water. So, I think we have to go. I like my kitchen very clean when I go because when I come back, I need it to be spotless, clean. You know, when you come back from holiday, you want everything to be nice and good. In my camera. Elisa, are you ready? Did you watch it?
Did you watch it? Mom, did you watch it?
Yes, I did. I watched everything. Okay, so. We have to take a train, we have to take a bus, we have to take a taxi to the airport. We'll be sitting here waiting for that train. So here we are on our first train. Yes.
So Elizabeth has decided to sit there. I don't know. Yeah.
Oh, no. Look, my Elizabeth is tired. She can't walk anymore.
What about me?
Ooh, somebody's happy. We already checked in. Elizabeth, this is how far we can go. We have to go out to security. Come on. Okay, guys, look at this line. It's literally so long. This is how people miss their flights. This is a crazy. Oh. We are still here, stuck at the checkpoint. Hopefully we are going to be able to make it. Guys, we took too much time at the check-in, so we are really running. We don't know if we are gonna make our flight. Guys, hurry up, please. We have to hurry up. Oh my God.
See that way.
Oh, to F. Over there, and it's so far away. Oh my God. Sorry.
Let's go.
These kids are not stressed at all. You're here with Lynette. Oh, running, we've been jumping, we ran out of breath. Finally, let's just sit here and allow my body. Thanks. Yeah, so me and the girls just pretended that we went through the priority. No, okay, we didn't know, but then we were like, this one was like,
Airplane,
our
airplane, airplane.
And she was like, yes. And then they allowed us to come. Guys, I've been running so much. I need to change to my heels now. Well, I can see that. So my legs are so tired. We gotta change. I'm so damn tired. I need. At least it's beautiful weather in England. God, the wind. Girl, I'm not gonna walk fast. We are here now, so we are not in a hurry to catch another flight. Huh? No, we should take the bus, baby. You just have to buy a ticket here. Ticket to London. Huh? Oh, we are outside London.
So she thinks we're in the wrong place, and
our bus arrived after a long time. Look at these babies. They are exhausted. But hey, it's worth it. No, I don't want another. We are comfortable. Cookies. Now we have a 1 hour journey. I know one wants to film me, but I'm so pretty.
I thought we were only going to do one stop.
Yeah, only one stop, but we're driving for 1 hour though. 1 hour. Okay, I gotta admit, London. Oh, these are the outskirts. I don't understand. What's happening there? But we're here waiting for my friend to pick us up. Look, my sister. She's covering up. London girl. Trouble. Look. You see, we are going for the drive. Okay, this is allowed in UK. Touch my car. That was good. That was something good. Ah, Melissa. This is why we knocked last time I was here.
Oh, okay, you're making me paying a lot of money.
I was talking and the camera has refused. My friend doesn't want to be
This trouble here. I have so many boyfriends. I don't want them to see me like
You have so many boys. No, she's still single. Look at the girl, single and searching. And guys, I'm so tired. My face is all. I'm gonna go get ready. And I don't even know where to look into this phone. Like there. No, for the camera, you know, like you're looking at people like. We are finally home. We are finally home. My sister doesn't want us to show her face.
Oh, I was thinking, are you pregnant?
Girl, no, I'm
I
not.
thought you're pregnant.
No, look. Because it's YouTube.
Shush.
Ah,
You're pregnant.
no, I'm not.
Oh, okay.
Guys, look, I have
I was
like
worried.
the flattest tummy.
I was worried.
Guys, the best thing ever is to take off the wig.
Beautiful.
I am
beautiful
cold
hat.
and I have a beautiful hand. Go give Auntie a hug. So here we are, guys. Here we are, and the lighting is perfect.